Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Christina and today... Why did I do that weird thing with my voice? And today is my update for my
graveyard project pan.
So a lot of you guys know that the Graveyard Project Pan is a huge collab going on YouTube right now. It was started by my good friend Emily last year, and this year is the second year that we are all doing it. I will make sure to have the playlist and everyone down below in the description. I will also make sure to have all of the rules and details to this project pan, that way I don't spend too much time rehashing what this is. We have two different distinct categories to this project pan. One is collecting cobwebs and the other is resurrection. So those are the two categories. I have some in both and I'll say that when I get to them. But yeah, let's get into this. This is going to be the first update and I'm pretty excited about it. So before I jump into today's update, definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of project pans here, so if you like project pan, definitely make sure to hit that button. And now let's get into this. So as you guys know, I do tally for mine. That's typically how I do it. I didn't end up measuring these for this project pan, and let me know in the comments if you would like to also see measurements going forward or to see weights going forward. Haven't done it. These are bi-monthly updates, and I think I just forgot in the first one, but I can always do that as well. I do have a weight scale, but right now we're just going with tallies and visual representation. The first one that I'm going to be talking about is from my collecting cobwebs category, and it's my Buxom plump liner. I've had this thing for forever, which is why it's in this category, but as you can see, it's looking quite tiny now. I ended up using this over 25 times, and I think it's not great for 2 months worth of progress, but there is a lot of movement. I can show you guys here. So this is where we started out. We have moved a good bit. I will also be doing close-ups so you guys can see that a little bit better. But yeah, there is a lot of movement. I definitely think this will be done in the next 2.5 months probably. I think I can finish this right before Halloween, which would be really impressive. I was hoping I could get this out before my move, but I think in a month it's just not gonna happen. But I think definitely once I'm already in my new place, this will go pretty quickly. I'll probably travel with this just because it's really easy to just throw it on as just my only lip color and move forward. So I think maybe I can finish it by sometime in August, depending on how much I use it during our road trip across country. Second item is another one that is collecting cobwebs, and it's probably the oldest product I have in my lip collection, and it's one of the original ColourPop lippy sticks. This is in the color Lumiere, which was one of Kathleen's colors, and there's not much. I am wearing it right now mixed with another lip product, and I mean, there is not a lot of lipstick left, which is very exciting because I was like, oh, this will be easy. I ended up using this about 15-20 times. I got really bad at tallying towards the end of the month this month, so I'm hoping my numbers are pretty accurate, but they may not be. I mean, it didn't really move that much, so I think they're probably accurate. So as you can see, we were here at the beginning of the month and it did move. I mean, not much movement happened, but enough. I am still using it, so that's really all that matters. There's not much lipstick, and probably have the same deal with this lipstick as well. I'll take it with me as we travel across country for our big move, and hopefully that means I can just exclusively pay attention to that one and get it out of here. The next product is one that I'm very happy to say is finished and I can roll in a new product. So the next one is my Mega Cushion from Maybelline. I ended up taking out the cushion completely and like wiping the thing. Like there's nothing left on the cushion. It's just completely dry. It's gone. I didn't have to use it many times. I only ended up using it 10 times before it was completely like dry in there. And I even took my brush to like the inside to try to get all of the remnants out. So I feel very, very happy that I finally get this guy out of here. I don't know why it took me so long to just finish it, but you know, that's why we do project pans sometimes. So this guy is gone and I'm happy about it. In its place, I'm gonna roll in another resurrection item. Oh, this was a resurrection item, in case I didn't say that. I'm gonna roll in another one. This is the Cosrx Make Me Lovely cream. It's around the same kind of like feel as the cushion. I was gonna roll in a different cushion that I had, but I ended up finishing it before I ever rolled it in because it didn't have that much left. But this guy is similar. This is a BB cream tinted moisturizer kind of thing. I don't use it very often, but here lately I have been going on like hikes a little bit more and going outside a little bit more. And this will be nice just to wear for those days, especially with us all having to wear masks. It's kind of hard to wear like heavy makeup. It just comes off and looks really bad. So this will be nice just to kind of smear on my face and have a little bit of coverage without feeling like I have too much on. So I think I should be able to finish this guy pretty quickly. I will probably weigh this one because there's nothing visible for me to show you guys. It feels pretty full and I've had it for a while, but since we can't visibly see anything, I will definitely be weighing this just so we can kind of see where it is. I can't see through the packaging. I have a window right there, which is what I film with. I feel hopeful about this guy. I don't think it should be very hard. If anything, I can also put it on my chest, you know. There's ways to get around using this because it's just like a really light tinted moisturizer. Pretty much blends into anything. And it smells good. It smells like good skincare, but as you can see, it doesn't really do too much for coverage. You can still see my veins and everything. It just kind of evens me out, gives you a nice like glow. I think it should be pretty easy to use it. Next product is one that I was awful at using, and it is my Bella Rose highlight from JCat. I only ended up using this 10 times. And last month, I think the month that I had it in my Shop My Stash and then I removed it, I don't think I used it like at all. I think I maybe only used it a couple times for an inner corner highlight. I think all of my months have kind of blurred together, but yeah, I didn't use this very much at all, and I need to be better. I just haven't been using highlight, and I have another highlight in my project pan, and maybe I should just like smear some on right now. Let me just... But yeah, my goal was to use this 31 times. I've only used it a handful of times, not close to the 31. How many times did I say I used this? What, 10 times? So I have 21 more times to go, and hopefully I can use it 21 more times. I would like to try and get this rolled out next update, but we will see. And then last product is my body spray. This is the Bath & Body Works Boardwalk Marshmallow Clouds. Last month, when we rolled this in, it was up here at this red line, and now it is down here at this blue line. So I did use a good bit, not as much as I feel like I could have used in 2 months, but I mean, it's still progress. Progress is progress, so I need to not beat myself up about it. If we do that same amount of progress, this will be done by Halloween. So that is a good sign that as long as I keep progressing in the same way that I have been, it will definitely be done, which will be nice. This is a nice summer scent, so hopefully I can get a little bit more use out of it right now, and hopefully get it pretty close to done by our next update, or completely done. We'll see. It's 2 more months until the next update, and I don't know, I feel very hopeful about this one as well. I ended up using this guy 25 times, so a good amount of progress. Again, not as much as I could have done in 2 months, but yeah. Still progress. That is it for this update for the Graveyard Project Pan. I feel good about everything still. I have a lot of project pans going, so it's just nice to know that I can still make little tiny increments of progress on products and not feel overwhelmed by it still. I'm just excited because this project counts down to Halloween for me, and I am ready for Halloween. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Also, make sure to check out the description so you can check out everyone else doing this project. And always remember that no matter what, there is always a little bit of magic to be found. And I hope that means I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye!